Welcome to Module 4, AI Enhanced Time Techniques. Today, we're supercharging classic productivity methods with AI coaching that adapts to your specific situation and energy levels. The issue with classic time management techniques, of course, they work, but they require discipline. Pomodoro timers don't adapt to your energy levels. Break scheduling becomes routine rather than strategic. It's hard to maintain focus when distractions hit, and there's no personalised coaching to keep you on track. But AI can change everything in this realm. You can get personalised Pomodoro sessions based on your specific task and energy level, strategic break timing that actually restores your focus, real-time coaching for when your motivation drops, and adaptive schedules that work with your natural rhythms. So instead of generic 25-minute blocks, you can ask an AI this: I need to work on this specific task for this amount of time. Based on the complexity and my energy level right now, high, medium, or low, suggest optimal work and break intervals. Let's look at this in action. For example, I put in, I need to write a complex report for 3 hours. My energy is medium high right now. The task requires deep thinking and creativity. And an AI response might say, try 45-minute focused blocks with 10-minute breaks. Start with research and outline, that's less draining, then core writing, and editing finally when your energy naturally dips. Much smarter than standardized 25-minute blocks. You can also get AI to help you design strategic breaks. You could ask, I have 4 hours of focused work ahead of me. Design a break schedule that maintains my energy. Include what type of break activity would be most restorative for each interval. Here's what AI might suggest. Hour 1, work 50 minutes and then take a 10-minute movement break to walk or stretch. Hour 2, work for 45 minutes and then take a 15-minute nature break. Look outside and get some fresh air. Hour 3, work 40 minutes and then have a 20-minute social break. Chat with a colleague. Hour 4, work 35 minutes and you've earned a longer restorative break. See how strategic that is. When distractions completely derail you, and they will, use this prompt. I was supposed to work on this task but got distracted by this thing. I have this much time remaining. Help me refocus and adjust my plan to still make meaningful progress. You can also further enhance the famous Eisenhower Matrix. Here are my tasks for today. Use the Eisenhower Matrix principle to categorize them. Then create a timeline that tackles them in order of maximum impact while considering my energy patterns. Describe your patterns and watch AI help you create a strategic approach. When you're really struggling to start, try this. I'm procrastinating on this task because of this reason. It needs to be done by this deadline. Break this down into the smallest possible first step and coach me through getting started. This one's a real helpful tip. So, for example, I'm procrastinating on my quarterly report because it feels overwhelming. It's due on Friday. AI might respond with, start with just opening a document and writing one sentence about what this quarter achieved. That's it. Once you've done that, ask me for the next tiny step. This is brilliant coaching. So here's how your new AI enhanced productivity workflow may look. In the morning, you can ask AI to design your day based on energy and the tasks ahead. The pre-work might be to get customized Pomodoro timing for each task. During work, use focus recovery prompts when needed. Break times follow the AI's strategic break recommendations. And at the end of the day, review with AI what worked and adjust tomorrow. So you can do a weekly check-in with this prompt. This week, I tried these techniques. What worked well was this. What didn't work was this. Help me adjust my approach for next week based on these patterns. AI learns with you about what works best specifically. So practice time. Try it for your next big task. Tomorrow, I need to do this specific task for this time period. My energy is typically like this. Design the optimal work and break schedule with specific coaching prompts I can use if I get distracted. In Module 5, we're tackling family and/or team calendar coordination. We'll look at shared scheduling with AI assistance, managing multiple stakeholder needs, conflict resolution, and compromise solutions. So try these AI-enhanced time techniques this week and see if they transform how productive and focused you feel. See you in the next module.